Hello everyone, this is Alan Pariser speaking. I've known Max for a long time, and over the last 20 plus years, all that he's done is he's taught people how to expand their contact list using the internet and using social media. He knows what he's doing. He can teach you how to make new contacts, give you scripts on how to approach them, and how to increase the number of enrollments in your business and how to find business builders. By the way, just so you know, I have personally hired Max to coach me, and that I think over the last year has ended up in Sandra and I enrolling an extra 20 personally enrolled preferred customers and probably about 11 or 12 personally enrolled directors, some of which are director 3s and higher and climbing the ranks. So we know for a fact that this works and that this could be a huge benefit to you. And without much further ado, let me introduce you to Max Steingart.
Hey, Max, it's Pete Olson. I wanted to take a couple minutes, give you a shout out. As you know, I'm the number one money earner globally in Mint Builder, number one recruiter, and I couldn't have done that without your program. And as you know, we go back to when I was in the Numis days, and your program was introduced to me way back in 2012, and within a 4-month period, I rose to the top of the company. I have unleashed your programs on my entire company. And what's so incredible about it is that these people now are going to be able to recruit where they never were able to before. They can do it in an hour a day from their home with their phone or their laptop and just have conversations that you teach. My gosh, I was in Las Vegas for a week partying and the whole 9 yards. And while I was there, I recruited 4 people while I was on vacation. I mean, it was that easy. Anybody can just do it hour a day and they will absolutely blow up their business and become 6-figure earners.
Max, what you've taught me, obviously I've applied to my network marketing business and it absolutely works. We know that. It's a fact. You've done it with me. You've done it with so many others. But, one of the things I always say was what you teach us, we can apply to any job. And it's the same technique. It's the same dance. And I've used it in the insurance world where I was recruiting for multiple agencies and using your techniques. I remember one month I recruited 40 insurance agents. In 1 month, that's huge. And I know that you've worked with others that have built huge insurance agencies as well.
I'm driving, so I want to share this quick testimonial in case my signal cuts out. I'm headed out of Vegas right now. Max is the guy you want to work with. This is one of the trainers in network marketing who actually has stuff that flat out works in real life, not the latest, greatest ClickFunnels, shiny guru stuff. You want the real stuff that works. Max, last time we talked, I think I was the number 6 earner in the company, or number 5 or something like that.
5 or number 4.
I'm number 2 right now. So we've got a little bit ways to go to number 1, but I just wanted to thank you personally for just really giving us and my organization tools that we really needed. So we've had a lot of rank advances since then. We're still polishing some things up. I need to do some more coaching with you. I can acknowledge that. But I'm the number 2 earner right now. I just hit the diamond rank last month. That's a solid 45, 50,000 a month, easy. So this has actually been so far the biggest month I've ever had in 10 years of network marketing, man. So I really just wanted to thank you personally. And anybody who's on the Zoom, man, you really got to take this stuff seriously. Don't just play with it. Max is the real deal. I do have a quick testimony. A young lady I just sponsored who has 0 network marketing experience. I taught her just a few of the techniques that you taught me, and she's already like number 7 in recruiting in our company right now. I just saw her name on the leaderboard tonight. So I was like, wow, I got to tell Max. So it's really cool. I just wanted to tell you, man, everything you're teaching, it works in real life. And we all appreciate you so much.
Max, I just want to tell you that since I've started working with you personally with our one-on-one coaching sessions, and since I have been able to send our associates to your free webinars, to your boot camps, our business has completely changed. So many people who have been with us for many, many years are now coming out and texting me and emailing me and telling me that with your social media method of operation, they are now on board building a business. It's incredibly exciting to us because these are people who deserve it, and I know they can be successful with your methodology.
I've been involved in different network marketing companies for the past 30 years, and I've never knew of anybody that taught network marketing at all until just a few years ago. I've been following Max since 2020, and I've researched so much about him, and I've become, one of his biggest fans. I've collected like his books that he's written from 20 years ago, and the same concepts, the same things he's using today. And I find that other network marketing people that try to sell their concepts and such, they are just following what Max is doing. But Max is the one that started this. And I'm just so grateful because I feel it's about credibility, and I trust you. And I know that you are an amazing person. I know that you're an incredible leader, and I know that you have the credibility and the experience.
Hey everybody, my name is Tom the Furry Hakayatar, and part of me taking Max Steingart's course on how to prospect online, I was one of those people that was actually calling leads. And I remember just being so frustrated with not being able to get a hold of anybody and connecting with anybody, because they always say the people that make the most money in this industry are the people that you connect with. So I was having a struggle with doing that. I found Max Steingart online, and he quickly taught me how to connect with people more on a level where I can do just like a nice little search for them online by age and gender. And then all of a sudden I started applying his techniques. I finally started getting some people enrolled in my company just following exactly what Max taught. Just in the last year, using techniques that Max has already taught me, I've done over $386,000 in just that 1 year's time in just the last year. So if you're looking at this right now and you're wondering, should I become a part of Max Bootcamp or do anything that Max does? Absolutely. So if there's a link below this, click it, do whatever it takes. And that's me signing out. See you guys soon.
I just want to reemphasize so that people listening really understand your passion for empowering people with knowledge and why. Because we want them to know what took us forever to learn. People that are new to the industry, it's almost unfair, Matt, that they find you and connect to you early. It's not fair. You haven't been beaten up for years without hope that they're going to find a real deal. In fact, I was just on the phone with one of our owners this morning who happens to be doing a meeting in South Africa, telling him that I am more excited than ever, not only about our profession, our industry, but the fact that we've connected because you are making such a difference. I honor you for being who you are and helping those of us who love this profession to avoid frustration and not having to wait years to figure it out on our own. So we thank you for all you do to serve the industry tirelessly so that we can live our dream and live life the way it's supposed to be.
Max is what I believe is the absolute best system for developing prospects using social media. I can't endorse this enough. You know, we live in a world where social media is really becoming a big part of what our business is and a big part of all of our lives. And so that's why I'm so motivated to make sure that everybody in my business has a real strategy and that they know the things to avoid. So I really encourage you to get as many of your people into this and really get a sound strategy for your team.
Hi, Max. This is Sarah calling from London in the United Kingdom today. I just wanted to really give my thoughts on your tremendous training that I've come across 7 years ago now when I was just 22. And I was just starting off in the network marketing industry, and I had heard a lot about you. Thanks to your training course that changed everything in my life. I had built an organization of 5,000 people as a 22-year-old. I've since joined a different company, and long story short, now I have a team of over 30,000 distributors. I've made over 2 million worth in personal income. So everything in my life has changed since learning your basic skills. I must tell you, it's something that the world needs, and it's something that my current organization need. So congratulations to everything that you're doing, and I'm really, really happy to have come across you and to have had the opportunity to change my life and that of many others thanks to you.